I've been knocked down, but I won't stay on the ground. I've been hurt, but I won't let it define me now. I've faced darkness, but I found my inner spark. I'm a fighter, that's just who I am, no matter the mark. Through the battles I've found strength I never knew. In the face of adversity I push through. I've stumbled, but I always rise above. I'm a warrior, spreading love and light to all I love. I am the fire, I am the spark, leading us to light, brighter than a lantern in the dark. I won't back down, I won't give in. I'm a shining warrior, ready to fight and win. I'm a shining warrior.